Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. This is where somebody ran into a handrail. We're going to try to fix it where they can have their handrail back. Though not exactly the same, but they will have their handrail back. Time to scratch them up.
Over here. You might not want to be over there. John let out a bomb.
Crop dusting.
Mosquitoes, dude, mosquitoes.
There ain't no mosquitoes in this wind.
I know they ain't. I run them all off.
Go to 1/4 inch here, take this cap off, and take these screws off. See what this is put together is these screws here hold this piece on. Then there's another channel right there that they got these pieces fastened on. But I'm not going to build it so flimsy. I'm going to do something a little bit heavier.
You can leave that one on there. You don't want that anymore. This one's bad, so you might as well keep them on.
I used it.
John.
Anything on the bottom?
Oh, I'm at it.
Right here.
Right there, man.
John grunt.
You do that when you wait till you get our age.
Well, maybe by then they'll have some type
Lucky enough to be alive at our age, by the way. One of the things we went through. It's that Joe Walsh song. Lucky I'm insane after all I've been through.
You're gonna get copyrighted for singing a song.
Oh, really? Can't I get copyright for that?
No. Probably.
Probably. Another burnout.
town's got a lot of people coming through it.
You spend a lot of time here yourself.
When?
When you were in grade school.
Yeah. Not since.
Just bent real bad.
Well, that is not.
Just not here. You got to get this off. Hit it this way.
Peel it off, John. Just drop the phone in there.
Ooh, that's good.
You just need a... Or you can get it out with a 5-eye.
Thought to make a hole in it and lift it out, but no. It ain't gonna be easy.
We'll come back to you guys when we get out.
Yeah. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.